Hey everyone, this is my YouTube channel Knowledge Plus Understanding, and from today I'm going to start a series of lectures from the topic Maths for Chemistry, and I will choose that topics which are usually studied, which are usually taught in Pakistan universities. So this is the book from where I will make videos of the exercises, calculus and analytical geometry by Thomas Finney, 11th edition. And in Pakistan there are following are the chapters from this book that are usually taught. And the first chapter is chapter number 1, preliminaries. Second chapter is limits and continuity. Chapter number 3 is differentiation, and chapter number 4 is applications of derivatives. So these are the basically chapters from where I will give some touch of this book. If we talk about chapter number 1, which is preliminaries, first I will in this video I will give you some of the details related to important points. Then we will in the next video I will go towards exercise 1.1. So first important topic is what is real number. So real numbers are numbers that can be expressed as decimals, like you can see in these examples. Like this is an example, minus 3 over 4, we can write it as minus 0.75 in the decimal. So these are, like if we say this, or 1 over 3, 0.333, or under root 2. So all these theories are the examples of real numbers. Next, if we look at the next point is what is real line. So real numbers can be expressed. So real line is for the expression of real numbers geometrically or as points. So real numbers can be expressed geometrically as points on number line. Like you can see here, minus 2 is expressed there. This is 0. From 0 to towards the right side there are positive real numbers, and from the left toward left side there are negative uh, real numbers. From 0 and to 1, in between there is 1 over 3, which we have already discussed, is equal to 0.33. Then between 1 and 2 it is there lies square root 2. And then there is a on the left side of 0 there is minus 3 over 4, and minus 1, minus 2. So what is real line? Real line is the expression of real numbers geometrically. So there are many others. If we see at the algebraic properties of real numbers, they can say that the real numbers can be added, subtracted, multiplied and divided to produce more real numbers, but they can't be divided by 0. So any real number, if it is divided by 2, that will equal to 0. So we will not get real numbers. So real numbers can't be divided by 0. The last point is there are some rules for inequalities. So in chapter number 1 we will deal with the inequalities. So there are if we say there are we have three real numbers, a, b and c. Then if a is smaller than b, so what will happen? A plus c will also be smaller than b plus c. So this is the rule. Let's say if we have a is smaller than b, so the a minus c will also be smaller than b minus c. If we say that a is smaller than b and c is greater than 0, so the multiply of ac will be also be smaller than bc. If we say that a minus c, a is smaller than c and c is smaller than 0, then the multiply of ac will be greater than bc, or bc is smaller than ac. So if a special case, if we say that a is smaller than b, then minus b will be smaller than minus a. If we say we know that in minus, the digit which is smaller is considered as higher number. So if we say a is greater than 0, so 1 over a will also be greater than 0. Its reciprocal will also be greater than 0. And if we say that if a and b are both positive or both are negative, then if a is smaller than b, then obviously 1 over b will be also smaller than 1 over a. So this is opposite. So these are the some rules. In next video we will start from the exercise 1.1 from chapter number 1 preliminaries. Thank you.